Well, with crime on the rise in cities like right here in Cleveland, it's important to know how to protect yourself. That is why we are talking with personal safety expert and CEO of SABRE, David Nance. Thank you so much for joining us.
Good morning. Thanks for having me.
Yeah, as I mentioned, crime on the rise in cities, just like here in Cleveland. Can you tell us about some of the basic tips to really detect danger and protect ourselves?
Sure. Number one is distance. Distance is the most important. The attacker's advantages, their actions will always be faster than your reaction. So keep 12 feet away when you're by yourself, at least. So they have to take multiple steps to get to you.
Now, I understand SABRE is the #1 manufacturer of pepper spray and pepper gel in the US. And actually, you supply Cleveland Police Department with these products. Now, what's the difference? And can you kind of show us how to use them?
Sure. So pepper gel is becoming the trend. It's really what people want to move towards and have done so already. Pepper gel significantly reduces, if not eliminates, any wind blowback. It sticks to the target. It doesn't atomize like a traditional pepper spray, so you're not going to inhale it. It won't affect you. It won't affect your children. One of the products we're really excited about we're introducing right now, which incorporates a pepper gel, is this safety value pack, which is now available in Walmart automotive department. Okay. So it has a personal alarm and then the most popular pepper gel container. So the personal alarm is going to call for help for those around you and potentially scare off the threat as well. You just simply pull this pin incredibly loud, and then you have this pepper gel product with this fast tap to deploy. You just slide your thumb underneath, press down, spray ear to ear across the eyes. The finger grip helps ensure you're pointing it in the right direction. And then this snap clip allows you to attach it to your bag, your purse, whatever means. So it's really accessible and with you, and it's easy to carry.
Well, thank you so much. If you would like to know more, you could even go online. It's saberred.com.